Good morning, everybody. So today is the day. A little bit blurry-eyed through jet lag, but finally in a place called Bloomsburg, very close to the town I've always wanted to come to, the town that no longer exists, called Centralia. We had some interesting discussions with the locals last night. For those of you who know me, I've wanted to come here since I studied at university, and the reason for that is the story of Centralia. For me, it's quite a tragic one, but also very relevant to what I do, and that's working in the ground. So the history of Centralia is, in 1962, excuse me while I get my coat on, the local town dumped some rubbish in a tip, and that was set on fire. Centralia as an area is in Pennsylvania, and it's a big coal mining area. And what the people of Centralia didn't realise was, when they set fire to the rubbish, it also set fire to some coal. Coal seam was subcropping in the dump. Subsequently, many years later, when they realised that the seam was on fire, it was too late. And what has happened since then is quite catastrophic. And what we'll see today, when we get to Centralia, is a town that no longer exists. And are you looking forward to going to Centralia?
Can't wait. Absolutely bursting with anticipation.
Alright, feeling better now. We are on our way to Centralia. Ashley's just had the best breakfast he's ever had, so he claims, in America. Looks like it might snow today, which is quite nice, very cold. So yes, I'll give you an update soon. So we are in Centralia, and we've just driven out of town, and our first experience of the underground coal fire is in front of us. Quite extraordinary. Quite extraordinary. Never seen anything like it in my life. It's just smoke coming up from the ground. Absolutely unbelievable. Careful, Ash. I have never seen anything like this in my life.
$42. So we've gone down 40, that's 55. And then 42, we won't go right.
So we are here on the graffiti highway, and I think speechless is an understatement. This place is unreal, and what is more amazing about it is the fact that there isn't an inch of tarmac that is not sprayed on. And we've walked at least a mile, and you can see it just keeps going and going and going. Never seen anything like it in my life. I've always wanted to come to here to see the devastation, and I think, well, I don't know what I think, quite honestly. It's unbelievable. I don't know if you can appreciate the length of this road, but there's not an inch of it which hasn't got spray paint on it. And the subsidence and distortion and the cracks in the road. Oh, I think you can see why it was shut down and rerouted. Really, really eerie place. Really eerie. Absolute devastation. We're now at what is believed to be the ignition point, or the starting point of the fire. And these metal tubes sticking out the ground are installed to what they believe the fire depth was way, way back. Sometimes these can smoke depending on the ferocity of the fire, but it's really eerie, really strange. There's about 5 or 6 of these dotted around the landscape. It's just literally nothing. Next stop is into the town centre.